Carlos, brother, congratulations.
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
I feel fantastic, man. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little in shock. I mean, I was up for North America. My mentor was up there. Some big people I admire in the business. So I'm humbled. I'm excited. I'm surprised, but I'm very happy, and I'm without words really. So.
And what does the award mean to you?
Well, I mean, it's just I'm happy I found my passion, and I have. I love what I do, and just to even be recognized among like, you know, some of the pioneers in the business, it's just a reward that I just didn't expect, and I'm just very excited, really.
Brilliant. Mr. Montes, last question. What's next for you?
Oh, I'm just gonna keep working hard. I'm gonna try to keep changing lives, and just and hopefully help grow this industry in any way I can. So.